Okay, for number 10, we have to arrange these in order from least to greatest and explain how we got our answer. Now we have three ways to do this. We have all these that are different. We have here fractions and percents and decimals. So what we have to do is somehow get them all the same, because not only do we combine only like terms or tags, we compare only things that are alike. So on here we could make all of these into fractions. So 3/4 is already a fraction. This could be 65 over 100, because remember, the percent sign is made up of 1 and 2 zeros for 100. This was 72 hundredths, and 72 hundredths can also be written this way. And this is 50%, and once again the 50, and then the percent sign becomes over 100. Now, before we can actually do anything, we have to have all these the same to be able to compare them. So we're going to go ahead and take 3/4 and make it into hundredths. And so if we take 3/4, 3/4 is going to be the same as, to make it into 100, we multiply by 25, and whatever we do to one, we do to the other. So we have to multiply the numerator by 25 and get 75. So 3/4 is the same as 75 hundredths. So now we can easily see to put them in order, because since all of these are the same, we only have to look at the numerators. So the smallest one is going to be 50 over 100. Then we're going to have 65 over 100. Then we're going to have 72 over 100. And finally, 75 over 100. So if we take those back to the original, that's 50%, then 65%, then 0.72 or 72 hundredths, and then 3/4 is the largest. Now, so we have all those in order: 50%, 65%, 72 hundredths, and 3/4. So here we turn them all into fractions. Now we could also turn them into percents. A fraction is a division problem, so 3 divided by 4, we could do 3 divided by 4, and we're going to end up with 75%. So if we make that into a percent, 65%, this is 72 hundredths, which is 72%. So once again, think of dollars. 72 cents could be written with the dollar sign that way, and it could also be written 72 cents, just like percent. So then we have 50%. So we can see once again, 50 is our smallest, so 50%. Then 65 is next, 65%. Then 72, so 72 hundredths. And then finally 75%, which was 3/4. So once again, we get the same answer. So we first of all turn them into fractions, then we turn them into percents. We could also turn them into decimals. So once again, 3 divided by 4 is going to be 7, which is 28, and it gives us a 20, and then it goes in there 5. So 20 exactly. So this is going to be 0.75, and then we can cross out the percent sign, divide by 100, and we get 0.65, then 0.72, and once again, think of money, 50%, and 50 cents would be like 50 cents. So 50 cents is a decimal. Dollars are like decimals. So once again, we can see 50 cents the smallest, then 65, 72, and then our 3/4. So we can do it any way, and we would just say, explaining, we turn them into fractions or decimals or all into percents.